Know the drug, yes the love. You're the sun that shines above. Love yourself. Know the drug. Yes the love. Dedicated to the youth of America and the world. For every boy, every girl, of every race, in every place, reflects God on every face. Clap your hands. Map your plan. Say no to drugs. Say yes to love. On the beat, get on your feet. Come on, dance. Clap your hands. Map your plan.
Yes to love.
Know the drug. Yes to love. You're the sun. Shines above.
Handshake and hug.
No gun for no man, woman, child, go smile. Run only to unlonely fun. Pyramid, what we did, no gun. Love that has been hidden in the sun. No gun can truly get respect. Truth for your youth, let it protect. Love your own life above gun and knife. The sun, no zone of strife. No gun for no one, not for daughter, hot for slaughter, not for son. It took a gun lie, hit all we did. Vulture shook culture by the ton. Achieve fun, believe it can be done. Deceive no one, leave out the gun. Child, bring your mind, leave the gun. Train your brain to tap the sun. The gun in school makes you the fool. The bullet is a racist tool, destroying kids both black and brown to turn the hood of Terrortown. Child, bring your love and leave the hate. Knowledge is a freedom gate for us to make tomorrow's hope a high to last beyond the dope. A natural high of health to bless the home and school with righteousness. The gun can't shoot the truth on down. Bullets hide the coward clown who needs so much to make him brave to save his life before the grave. Child, listen up and you will hear a rhythm beat to change the fear to joy for each and every one. And child, oh child, you must leave out the gun. Leave out the gun. You picked it up to be a man, and you must grow to understand whoever gave that gun to you is but a part of greed's death plan. You saw it on the TV screen, the one-eyed monster TV screen, but Al Capone was cold and mean. To end a life no man can make it, mankind's worst mistake. Child, let love words uplift your soul. Leave out the gun and let your goal be beauty shining bright and strong. Gunplay at school is dumb and wrong. You cannot learn, you can't be strong. Gunplay at school is dumb and wrong. Somebody did not hug you. Some grown folks have not loved you. It's not your blame, and yet your aim must be self-love. Self-love beyond all shame. Bluetooth still is holding. The red Bluetooth is holding. This message is not scolding. Because we love you to the bone. Because God loves you to the bone. Because you should love you to the bone. To the bone. Child, leave the guns alone. Leave them alone. Oh, leave the guns alone. And bullets spell the danger zone. To bury deep the self-hate clone. Before more dying parents cry. Before more dying parents cry. Before more dying parents cry. Parents cry. Child, leave the guns alone. Oh, leave the guns alone. Leave them alone. Ah, who but God creates the sun? Creates each child a special one. To take a life cannot be fun. Though life seems hard, we still have God. God always near, beyond the fear. Don't be ashamed to cry the tear. The tear will heal so you can learn to turn to be a self-pride man. Self-pride girl to change the world. Self-pride man to heal the land. To understand. Self-pride man. Child grave, no one need kneel upon. Embrace the sun. Leave out the gun. Boy, you can't get a gun in jail. What will you have to protect your tail before your manhood's not your own? Child, leave the guns alone. Oh, leave the guns alone. Don't hide them in the home. Culture dead and to the bone. Child, leave the guns alone. Leave them alone. Oh, embrace the sun, my child. Embrace the sun, my child. Leave out the guns and smile. Embrace the sun. Cause you're a special one. Leave out the gun.
Another chance for Sundance fun. Our word be heard. Go love someone.
Leave out the gun. Embrace the sun. Oh, you're such a special one. Leave out the gun.
Believe in sister, brother, father, mother. Relieve thy son. Leave out the gun.
Pressure said, man, join our gang. You got to prove that you can hang. Looked around in time to see pride in your community. Black, brown, white, we're all the same. Gang banging is a loser's game. Many fail and up in jail. Reason why we wrap this tale. Killing, stealing, what you got, hate and mother's tears about. Self-love, pride, first thing to learn. Quick and slick will make you burn. Young black folks, see what we did. Young black folks built the pyramid. Roots so deep, we sure can hang. Strong, so deep of the strong, our gang. Strong of the strong, our gang. Now use that strength to be a friend to other cultures. Hate will end. Put a love smile on each face for people of another race. We all got beauty past the skin. Break down and rap this rhyme to win a victory for harmony and unity. Yes, it can be. Junk food bad to make you mad. Nicotine can't make you glad. Freebasing, tasting alcohol will lead you to a heavy fall. We must see a better day. Rap with us, what do you say? No to drugs like PCP. You ain't thugs, you got dignity. Yes, the future waits for you. Stand proud and tall and just be true to nature and yourself inside. Shake hands with hearts, give love a ride. Yes, you prove that you can hang. Time to join that big God gang. Lead young children towards the light. Break down and rap this rhyme out right. Lead young children towards the light. Come on, people, bridge that gap. Learn this love community rap. Put brotherhood back on the map. Gang banging is a dead trap. Live this love rap day by day. True love will come back to stay. Lead young children towards the light. Break down, we'll rap this rhyme out right. Lead young children towards the light. Break down, rap this rhyme out right. People bridge that gap, learn this love community rap. Put brotherhood back on the map. Gang banging is a deadly trap. Live this love rap day by day. True love will come back to stay. Nothing to compare to the love the strong men share. No joy in the air, sweet as gang troops lives that dare to be different, dare to be brave. Strong, daring brother, now for each other, the line's hard to save. Strong men who struggle mightily as lions reign eternally, surviving pain, oppression's mind stones on the brain. The family tree grows quality from men whose strength is dignity, delighting the child to cause a great grand line to smile. Purest love that strong men give is the grace of God to live. Man love shared with one another, strong and deep respected mother, father, brother, love, respect, child and woman to protect, never weakened, so aware of the love that strong men share. No joy in the air, sweet as gang troops vibes that dare, with love, rhythm, and line, feet dare to change the way you eat, give a down man bread to eat, help a lady cross the street. Dare to get in touch with self through our culture, high on health, soon awake from self-hate's nap, listen to strong elder rap, snatch you from the demon's lap, now escape lion hunter's trap. Truth rap fine, profound and rare, with noble kingly flair, speak of love that strong men share. lion duty each must bear.
Nothing to compare to the love that's strong and shared. No joy in the air, like game troops vibes that dare. Love so rich and rare, love that's strong and shared. Nothing to compare to the love that's strong and shared.
Oh, the lion is the leader, and the strongest is the breeder, passing not hate's weakness on, and love's strength is never gone. Righteous love, not a desire, fire climbing ever higher, not to turn to cold and ashes. Love, thunder claps and crashes over lightning power flashes. Ah, the light through clouds and glare, viewing nothing to compare, nothing to compare, nothing to compare to the love that strong men share. Like the horn blows, smooth, no blare, trombone hymn in everywhere, lion splendor, brave and tender, like the love that strong men share. Music in the air, vibes of truth that lions dare. Yes, they dare to challenge wrong. Love united more than strong. Dare to challenge greed's death plan. Bearing love gets man to man. Oh, young lions, love can save from the hunter and the grave. Culture giving back and fair. Greater love that strong men share.
Nothing to compare to the love that's strong and shared. No joy in the air, like game troops vibes that dare. Love so rich and rare, love that's strong and shared. Nothing to compare to the love that's strong and shared.
Look each brother in the eye just to let him feel your crown. Just to see no lie, not to stand your manhood down. Shining in love's eyes to care. Vibe of truth for every tribe. Vibe of love that strong men share. Look each sister in the mind, not the lust for her behind. Not the queen, leave queen respect behind. All queens will learn to share all the love that strong men share. Lion soul rises king, rule the land, the man and singer. Lion song strong and secure. Envy not with God love pure. The jealous heart so insecure. No proof of love that must endure. Ah, beauty born in man.